the sacrament that they are going to receive this afternoon came from the bonds of love that Christ has promised to us.
Embracing the sacrament of marriage, this union is not only about us, it is about you, me, and God with us.
Friends, GFT, Hazel, be present for your local world according to the learning of our Holy Mother, teacher. Yes, I do.
I promise to accept your cheekiness and your imperfection, to calm you when you don't know how to take care of you, and to help you in all ways, at all times, and in all places. I thank you for doing the same for me, for being yourself, for dancing Pantropico of Bini, and singing rock songs of Kamikaze and River Maya, and for ensuring there's never a dull moment when I'm with you.
Sa mga darating na taon, nais kong ikaw ang aking kasama sa bawat paglakbay, tayong dalawa ang magkasama sa pagbuo ng sarili nating pamilya, mga pangarap, pag-abot ng ating mga mithiin, pagtupad ng ating mga plano. Ikaw ang aking katuwang, ang aking kaagapay, ang aking kasama sa bawat akbang ng buhay.
We have started to build our life together in Christ Church, and today marks the beginning of our own family. I remember the moment when you asked me to marry you in front of my family. The genuine love shining through your eyes when you asked me was a moment I'll cherish forever. And now, here we are, standing together, ready to exchange our vows. I am ready to take this new journey with you.
Hello, mahal. Here's an iPad to keep you entertained and organized, and a gold bracelet to remind that you're my most valuable treasure. Isel.
Ito pala ang susi sa ating buhay kung saan tayo bubuo ng panganay. At syempre, ito ang aking unang regalo sa iyo bilang asawa. Huwag kang mag-alala, madami pa yang kasunod. Paumpisa pa lang yan, kumbaga. Alam kong magugustuhan mo din ito. I love you, love, friends.
Hazel, do you take France your present for your local husband according to the learning of our Holy Mother, teacher?
Yes, I do.
I know it was all meant for you and me, the wonder of it all.
Mahal, itong araw na ito, ang ating pinakahihintay. Pag-isahin tayo sa harap ng Poong May Kapal. Mahal na mahal kita, nang higit sa anumang salita o gawa. Ikaw ang aking inspirasyon, ang aking katuwang, ang aking buhay sa ating pagsasama. Nais kong ipadama sa iyo ang walang hanggang pagmamahal.
The wonder of it all. The beauty now unfolding.
I'm excited for the adventures that lie ahead and for the life we will continue to build together, hand in hand, heart to heart. Love you.
It was all meant for you and me, the wonder of it all. The wonder of it all.
Friends, you may now kiss your bride.
Stillness in the open, in stick of